Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through how to create product bundles, how to add them, and how to apply them in the system. Let's get started. From the home page, navigate to the main menu. Head to the point of sale module. Click on Products. Then select Product Bundles. Here, you can create new bundles, edit existing ones, and adjust their prices. Let's go ahead and add a new one. From this page you can add all the bundle details. First, enter a name. Then, add a line to start adding products. You can either click the small icon to quickly add or edit a product, or select a product from your previously added products. Start adding your product details. Once done, click Save. Add another line to include more products in the bundle. You can add as many as you need. Add your second product. Add your third product. Now you'll see two columns. Original price, which is the price of the product when sold separately. Extra price, which is the additional price when included in the bundle. Set your extra prices. When everything looks good, click Create. Next, from the top menu, go to Products. This will take you to the Products page, where you can view all items. Select the product you want to link with the bundle. Click Edit. Head to the bundle choices. From the list, choose the bundles you want to assign. Everything looks fine? Click Save. Now let's test the bundle in POS. Head to the point of sales and start a new session. Select your desired product. When you click on it, you'll see the bundle options available. Add the product to the order along with its bundle option. Confirm the order. Select the payment method and process the payment. And that's it, you've successfully created a product bundle in Invent ERP. Thanks for watching.